cutting onions.
Shut up! Nobody asked me. Fucking asked me. Shut up.
Wow, look at those children. I just put like happy music over it. Like that stupid yeah, like and then like put like DIY kernels to be like school moments. I really need to do that. Just girly things. Funny moments and then like crying to a left music. Or should I just make it an Arab funny name? Because I can make that too. Arab funny videos are better. But we still need the real, like the real music. And then just bruh sound effect.